Another unrefined kind of earthenware that's roughly similar to redware in some regards is Yellowware. It's a heavy earthenware that's made from a yellowish clay rather than the reddish clay of redware. It's probably developed in the United States in the late 1820s, but becomes more common after 1840. And it was in common use until the 1930s and is still available today. New Jersey and Pennsylvania were major manufacturing centers, and Ohio was a very important manufacturing center. And because of that, we see a lot of the Ohio Yellowware on many of our sites. The presidential homes that we have, Cuyahoga Valley National Park, and several other places have a lot of Yellowware. The paste can be sort of a buff color to almost a golden color. Like redware, it's permeable, meaning that water will soak into it if it's not glazed. So it usually has a clear glaze on it, either a lead or alkaline glaze, inside and out. And it's usually created by press molding. Sometimes the mold marks are visible, sometimes not. It is largely used for food preparation and miscellaneous tasks, including little custard cups and little nappies, little open vessels, pitchers, jugs, and things like mixing bowls, other things like that are commonly made in Yellowware. It's seldom marked, but oftentimes the region of its manufacture can be determined by the style, by the color. The early ones tend to be fairly plain and a very attractive light yellowish golden color. But there are many decorations that have been applied to Yellowware over the years. Sometimes they're slipped, they're what's called mocha, which is a design that is dendritic in the sense it's dripped on and it spreads out to form things that a person might think look almost tree-like. It's also often treated with manganese glazes. That term started being used in the 1840s. Rockingham is the best known name for the different manganese glazes. It's a dark brown color. It can either be applied consistently or in a very splotchy and irregular fashion. That also occurs on redware occasionally as well. And there's other kind of oxide washes. There's annular decorations or rings that occur on Yellowware. And there's mold decorations, raised designs that are imparted by the mold in which the thing is made. It's mainly for food preparation and utility functions, mainly hollowware forms, but I've even found pieces of washboards on archaeological sites that are made out of Yellowware.